In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Api-Ms-Win-Crt-String-L1-1-0 missing error, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. This error can be frustrating since it often prevents you from running certain applications or games that rely on this dynamic link library file. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of resolving this issue quickly and effectively. First things first, you'll need to visit the official Microsoft website. This is where you'll find the necessary files that will help fix the missing DLL problem. It may seem daunting to navigate through all the options, but I'll make it straightforward for you. Once you're there, the specific component we're interested in is the Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio. You'll notice there are versions available for different years like 2015, 2017, 2019, 2021, and 2022. It's essential to download this redistributable because it contains library files that many applications rely on to function properly. Now, as you land on the download page, take a moment to assess your system's architecture. Is it a 64-bit Windows or a 32-bit? This step is crucial because choosing the right file ensures compatibility with your system. If you have a 64-bit system, you'll need to download the vcposhredist.x64.exe file. Conversely, if you're on a 32-bit system, go for the vcposhredist.x86.exe file. Knowing your system's version is key, so if you're unsure, head to your System Information or Settings app to confirm before proceeding. Once you've downloaded the appropriate file, it's time to run the installer. This process is fairly intuitive. Double-click the downloaded file and a setup window will appear. Read through the terms and conditions if you're interested, but what's critical is that you accept these terms to proceed. After that, you'll see the install button. Go ahead and click it. The installation process should start, and it'll take just a couple of minutes. After you've successfully installed the redistributable package, there's one final step. You need to restart your computer. This is a crucial part of the process because it ensures that all changes take effect and any old settings in memory are cleared. After the restart, your operating system should now be able to locate the previously missing DLL, and your applications or games should run smoothly. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've resolved the Api-Ms-Win-Crt-String-L1-1-0 DLL is missing error. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, feel free to share it with someone else who might need it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.